Today we're going to be installing the S-Line 458 exhaust. Bright and early, we're going to get it installed. Hopefully I don't need to remove the bumper. I know that makes it easier, but I really don't want to, but we'll see how it goes. Hopefully some friends roll through so we can get this done. Okay, so while we're here, we're going to go ahead and do a cold start. It's cold outside, new exhaust. Let's do a cold start before the S-Line is installed.
Alright, so what are we doing with this? How does this go down?
I don't know. Gotta figure that shit out. You're just shocking it?
Yeah. There you go.
Get to work, boys.
Hold up.
It's off.
Alright, raise the car up.
Carry it.
No, you gotta raise the car up.
I know. Stop. No more. Keep going. Oh, stop. Hold on.
Ow.
You good? Alright, all the way up.
No, not
Wait,
all the
wait.
way up. You're fucking.
Oh, the O2?
No.
Oh, no.
No.
Alright, we're good.
Alright, go.
Got a little bit excited. Oh, final hour, we're getting lunch.
It's almost in.
So I think.
Just one more of this.
Here, can you hold this side? Hold this side.
Pop out.
I am more scared about that vacuum that was here.
Yeah.
Than
Oh, we were supposed to remove it first.
I thought you did.
No. You want to loosen this just in case it gets caught or something? It's good.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
You're not retarded. You have to twist this. Oh. Oh, fuck. Okay, that's a different side.
Oh, that top one's gonna be a big huge.
I'm already in, bitch.
Alright, exhaust is done. Minus belly pan and diffuser. Getting late. You want to hold
Doesn't
it?
have auto start?
No.
Nothing's in the engine?
I hope not.
Double check.
I don't trust that movie.
We're good. There's nothing in it.
you're good. Ready? Alright, second start, hopefully no exhaust leak. Day 2 of the exhaust install. We actually finished last night thanks to the homies who came over and helped me. Definitely couldn't have done it without them. So the reason why it's day 2 is because we kind of ended early last night. We got the exhaust and everything bolted up, but it was getting late. We were hungry. We wanted to just take a break. It was a long 7 hours I think it took to install everything. So the only thing I'm doing today will just be installing the belly pan and the rear diffuser, and then I should be able to say I'm completely done. While we're here, might as well do a cold startup with the S-Line exhaust installed just to see what it sounds like. Something cool about this exhaust is you can actually see it from the outside a little bit. To recap what we did, this is about the order in which we installed the exhaust. First, remove the diffuser and the under tray just behind it. Next, loosen all the OEM exhaust clamps. Next, remove the exhaust hangers. They're usually held by 3 10mm bolts that go here. There are 2 exhaust hangers where you don't need to remove it from the actual hanger itself, but the bracket that goes to each side of the mufflers. Next, I would remove the 2 side panels here. They're held by a bunch of little hex screws like that. This next part is going to be difficult to see, but I will point in the general area. Removing the side panels will allow you to access the OEM heat shield here, and as well as the V-band clamps that hold the cats there and there. Once everything is loose, the exhaust should come down. It should tilt down enough for you to clear the bumper. It was also helpful for a friend or someone to maybe pull the exhaust pipe outward a little to give it a little more clearance. There's a little bit of flex there that can help out. Alright, she's all warmed up. Let's do some revs to end the video.